The closeout report will show you details of all your closed shifts. By default, you will be shown the last 7 days from today, but you can change this date range to any custom range. To change the date range, you have to click anywhere on the date field. Instead of a custom range, you can use one of the quick date ranges on the left side, like yesterday or last 30 days. Here we're going to do a completely custom date range. In this section, we'll be selecting the start time and date, and here on the right side, the end time and date. The report will show you the start time of the shift, the end time, total sales before discount and after discount, any taxes collected, total sale after removing discounts and adding taxes, your sales broken down by different payment methods such as cash, credit card, check, and gift card, cash adjustments if there were any, then tips broken down by payment method, cash deposited to save if there was any, and store credit and loyalty cash transactions. You can break this report down by point of sale payment devices, so you can see closeouts for each specific device, or by locations to see closeouts from specific locations. You can export or print this report directly from this page. If you have any questions about the closeout report, please contact us by phone, chat, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.